I've been digging through lots of info from shops, forums, and owner communities to bring you fresh and real data about the most common problems in the 2020 to 2023 Toyota Tacoma. This isn't just random stuff. These are the details that really cause headaches and that many people report on sites like Reddit or Edmunds. I'll also tell you what the brand says about them and what you can do if you run into these issues. One of the most talked about problems in the forums is with the infotainment system, especially the touchscreen freezing or rebooting on its own. Several owners say the screen sometimes stops responding or the system just shuts off for no clear reason. For example, one Reddit user said, "Sometimes my screen gets stuck on the logo and I have to turn the vehicle off and on again for it to work." This usually relates to software glitches or issues with the main multimedia unit. Toyota has acknowledged some of these complaints and has released software updates to fix bugs and improve system stability. If it happens to you, the best move is to take your Tacoma to the dealer so they can update the system, or, in extreme cases, replace the unit if it's under warranty. A mechanic who works at Toyota dealerships told me, "These failures are common on recent models, but most get solved with a software update, so there's no need to panic." Another common issue involves premature brake pad wear, especially on the TRD Pro version. Many owners report that their brakes squeak or wear out faster than expected, which is surprising since this truck is supposed to be tough and reliable. On official forums, several owners express frustration, saying things like, "I had to replace my brake pads before 20,000 miles. That's not normal." This might be related to the brake system setup or the type of pads used on certain Tacoma versions, which are more aggressive to boost off-road performance but wear faster in city driving. Toyota has issued technical bulletins recommending system inspections and, in some cases, offers replacements with longer-lasting pads. A technician explained to me, "The solution is more frequent maintenance, and if you mostly drive in the city, consider brake pads with a less aggressive compound. If you hear noises or notice loss of braking efficiency, don't hesitate to visit a certified shop to have the system checked and parts replaced if needed."